The CC2 original chicken cutting equipment is a great assistant in handling beef bones and difficult tasks related to meat processing. With a simple but effective design, CC2 not only saves time and effort, but also ensures accuracy and uniformity during the cutting process. With tender meat, natural sweetness, and unique flavor, chicken brings a wonderful culinary experience to everyone. Whether cooked in a soup, stir-fried, grilled, steamed or fried, chicken always brings variety and richness to daily meals. Besides being a rich source of protein and low in fat, chicken also contains many vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for health. Let chicken make your meals more interesting and nutritious. With a variety of preparation methods and great flavor, chicken never disappoints. Imagine you are the one using a sharp blade cutting those tough pieces of meat. Do you feel excited? That image is full of strength and flexibility, a symbol of professionalism and class in the art of cooking. Every time the blade operates is a symbol of skill and sophistication, making each piece of meat delicate and even. The sharpness of the blade not only highlights the natural flavor of the meat, but also making every meal more luxurious and classy than ever. Let this image make you feel more satisfied and enjoyable at every meal. It is definitely an indelible image in your mind. With its strong and graceful appearance, the blue shark is often considered the god of the ocean, a symbol of strength and sophistication in the deep-sea world. The carousel undulating under the sharp gaze of the blue shark creates a unique picture evoking a feeling of fusion between wild power and industrial human presence. This image is more than just part of everyday life in the marine fish industry, but also a symbol of natural strength and beauty. It reminds us of the wonder and diversity of our planet and the power and wonder of the ocean. With advanced technology and automatic features, CC2 Age not only enhances productivity but also ensures precision and uniformity in the cutting process. The CC2 Age flexible movements allow it to quickly and accurately process each part of the pork, from the belly to the shoulder and wings, without damaging or creating unevenness. The image of each pig bone moving on a conveyor belt is a powerful and impressive sight. Therefore, on farms, each python is kept in separate cages to ensure safety. Depending on the weight of the python, the cage is designed in different sizes. Python farming areas need to meet wastewater standards and ensure cage hygiene to avoid skin diseases in python. In some areas with hot summer weather, taking care of your python's health is essential. They must be bathed every day to cool their bodies and prevent some parasitic bacteria on the python's skin. Feeding pythons also needs to ensure enough weight and nutrients. Food for python includes chickens, ducks, frogs, or mice. Pythons' instincts often like to eat moving prey, but farms often train them to eat processed foods such as chicken and pork. Many studies have shown that raising pythons helps save on food costs than raising livestock and poultry, because they do not need to be fed regularly. Feed once every 5 to 7 days. Pythons raised for 1 year can grow from 10 to 15 kilograms if well cared for. Therefore, commercial python farming not only brings high economic value to people, but it also saves costs and minimizes negative impacts on the environment. Adult pythons have an average size of 4 to 6 meters long and weigh from 10 to 40 kilograms depending on the python species. Many animals weigh from 60 to 70 kilograms. The larger the animals, the higher the value in python skin production. Each year farms provide about 3 to 4 tons of commercial pythons for python skin production facilities. The process of harvesting python skin requires experienced workers. Avoiding tearing bickers, it will reduce the value of the python skin. When removing skin, the birth of floating cow farms on water is also considered a trend, a smart solution to the Earth's climate changes. According to current statistics and research, the world's population is increasing and the Earth's water level is rising, leading to an increasingly scarce agricultural land. Building a floating farm means food and livestock production can take place in harsh conditions, even during severe flooding. It ensures a sustainable livestock industry for people in the future. The floating farm is the ideal combination of innovative power and fresh, modern architecture on the water. And with a floating farm model, it provides solutions to global challenges of food security. The farm is designed to float on a pontoon, safely moving up and down with the tide. Many people think that cows can get seasick, but in fact, they will not feel uncomfortable because the farm will fluctuate about 8 feet each time each tidal cycle. These fluctuations will not make the cow feel seasick or uncomfortable.